Okay, let us work out one more problem. The following figures have been obtained from the books of Rana Bank Limited for the year ending 31st March 2017. Here they have given. Okay, now you can identify which, in the sense, the different items where it goes, which schedule. Interest and discount earned, schedule 13. Interest earned. Commission goes where it goes. Other income, right? Interest paid. So this is 13, 14. Interest paid 15. Then salaries and wages, operating expenses 16. Directors fees 16. Rent and taxes 16. All these operating expenses. Postage expenses 16. Profit on sale of investment. This is income, other income 14. Loss, other income only, but we have to deduct it 14. Rent received, other income 14. Depreciation, operating expenses 16. Stationery 16. Audit fees 16. Right? After that, they have given additional information. The profit and loss account had a credit balance of rupees 10 lakh on 1/4/2016. So this is last year's brought forward. Then an advance of rupees 25,000 has to be considered doubtful. So there is doubtful debt. Okay, where it goes? Appropriation or which part? Provision. It should be considered under provisions and contingencies, right? 25,000. Then comes the provision for taxation made at 35%. This we have to give. Proposed dividend is there. Proposed dividend last appropriation. Transferred to statutory reserve. Again appropriation. Prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st/3/2017. Okay, so as we know, the 13 interest earned, 14 other income, 15 interest expended, 16 operating expenses. Then comes provision. Okay, let us work out one by one. Schedules will prepare. Schedule 13. So interest discount, they have given only one entry. 38 lakh. Other income, commission, profit on sale of investment, rent received, right? So total this much, and there is loss. So loss we have to deduct 4,97,000 minus 38,000. So it is 4,59,000. Correct? Schedule 14. 4,59,000. Then comes interest paid, interest expended or interest paid. Schedule 15. So here only one entry is there, 20 lakh. Then comes operating expenses, schedule 16. Salaries and wages, directors' fees, rent and taxes, postage, depreciation, stationery, audit fees. This is very easy for you to identify, right? We have taken all these and total of it, 4,75,000. Then comes provisions and contingencies. So in the adjustment they have given provision for doubtful debts. How much? 25,000. This is there. And one more thing is there. Provision for taxation 35% they said. Right? How we have to calculate 35%? We have to calculate 35% on the current year's income, right? Profit, net profit. So how to calculate? See here, schedule 13-14 income is there. So 38 lakh and 4,59,000. This we have to add and we have to deduct all the expenses. Here interest 20 lakh expense is there and other expenses 4,75,000 is there and there is doubtful debt provision is there. See provision. Under provision what we are supposed to do is see provision for bad debts 25,000. Okay, this we have to give. Then provision for taxation. I told you the income side in the sense schedule 13 and 14 we have to add minus we have to deduct schedule 15 and 16, right? In the sense, interest expended and operating expenses we have to deduct. And there is one more thing, provision for bad debts. So that is also, in the sense, bad debts is there. Okay, so that we have to deduct. So how much? 17,59,000 is the income before charging, before providing for taxation, into 35% of it, right? So how much it is? We have to calculate. It is 6,15,650. So 6,15,650. Clear? So once we calculated all this, 13, 14, 15, 16 and provisions, then we can start preparing the statement. The Rana Bank Limited, profit and loss account, income, interest earned. Schedule 13, total 38 lakh, 4,59,000. So 42 lakh 59,000. Then interest expenditure, schedule 15, 20 lakh. Operating expenses, schedule 16, 4,75,000. Then comes provision. This we have to write separately. Provision and contingencies. Under this, provision for bad debts, 25,000. Provision for taxation. Just now we calculated 35%, 6,15,650. So this we have to take into consideration. So total expenses 31,15,650. Now profit or loss, net profit for the year, income less expenses, right? So from the total 42,59,000, we have to deduct 31,15,650. So net profit for the year 11,43,350. Profit and loss brought forward in the adjustment they have given. Profit and loss credit balance. Credit balance means it is profit. So we are taking it. Total 21,43,350. Then comes appropriations. Transferring. Transfer to statutory reserve. See, while transferring statutory reserve, we can't take this. Always remember, we should not take the total profit. We have to take only the current year's net profit. So we are taking 11,43,350 here on that 20%. Okay. So transfer to proposed dividend 1,10,000. Then balance carried forward. The balancing figure will be carried forward to balance sheet. So total, see how much money we have now, 21,43,350, right? This, how we are spending, that we have to show. So this much we are transferring to statutory reserve, this much proposed dividend, and remaining transfer to balance sheet. Clear? Thank you.